go to Wrigley Fields with his
Look at
bros
that.
like
He's going to town on that.
Big Dog?
Get that ass. Get that ass.
Feels gorgeous.
Yeah, dog. Get that ass. Get that ass.
I'm True Warrior.
Wow.
For as little as
So that's
$6,500 a
how
month,
seagulls
you
make
can keep
babies.
a True Warrior looking
I
and
never
feeling
would have thought it.
gorgeous. This year, let's not think about ourselves. Let's think about
He's
that
going to town. Look at that
True
shit.
Warrior who should be getting
That's
traveled
gross.
with his bros and listing all the chicks he hooked up with, and then wake up the next day, drink a Bloody
Man, he
Mary,
is.
and say,
Look at that. He ain't fucking around. He ain't even fucking around. Look at that.
shouldn't every
What bitch?
shallow
What
frat
bitch?
be able to shout from the top of his lungs, I'm True Warrior.
Wow, he's going to town.
I'm True Warrior. From the bottom of your heart, Kyle.
Okay, that's enough.
I'm True Warrior.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, Kyle, to steal a beautiful expression from Jolene, you just came out my, that's not a good call. No, I don't like that call. I don't like that call. Out.
Wow.
Showing the OC coming from one of us. All right.